Hello. Today for our literary language, we are going to be investigating hyperbole. Hyperboles are extravagant exaggerations that can't possibly be true. For example, we have a picture here below, and the caption describing the picture says, "We waited in line all day." Well, there's times where people may have waited in line all day, but that usually doesn't happen. For example, even if you go to the grocery store or you go to McDonald's and you're waiting maybe 5, 10 minutes, you're waiting a long time, but you're not waiting all day. That's an example of hyperbole. We have a couple other examples that we're going to go ahead and look at that I've heard kids use before. "I'm so tired, I could sleep for a year." Could you actually sleep for a year? No. "We waited in line all day." We just talked about that one. "I tried 1,000 times." Or maybe you've even said, "I tried 100 times." Chances are you probably did not try 1,000 times or even 100 times, maybe 10 times. But when you say something like that, it becomes hyperbole because you are exaggerating. "I nearly died laughing." That's probably an exaggeration. Another one that I don't have listed here that I've heard kids say before, even though they ate breakfast, if lunchtime's a little late, they might say, "Oh, I'm starving." Well, if they just ate a few hours before, are they actually starving? No, that's an example of hyperbole. A book that has hyperbole in it is "Those Darn Squirrels" by Adam Rubin. And I'd like for you to listen to this book today and see the different parts in the book that have hyperbole, and go ahead and jot those down in your reading journal. Here's what you're going to be writing down in your reading journal for today. At the top, you're going to write hyperbole, and next to that, I would pause it here so you can copy down all the words, but you're going to jot down "an extravagant exaggeration that can't possibly be true." So record those examples that you find in your reading journal. And then later this week, we are going to take a look at a very classic example of a book that uses hyperbole, and that is Paul Bunyan. So we'll be looking at that later this week.